Right everybody, we're back at the Renault Scenic and wow, talk about getting thrown a curved ball. So, where do we start? So, I'll put a lot of this in the edit for the scan tool. So, I think you've seen when I was in the engine immobiliser, it said it was active, right? So I was then going through the scan tool. I went back home and thought about it. And when I done a module scan on any of my scan tools, the Snap-on, the Autel or Launch, the only thing I could not talk to was the power assisted steering. So I could talk to everything else. I think I'm right. I could talk to everything by the power assisted steering. So I then done a bit of search on the web, and I'll put the website in it. And lo and behold, on this 2010 model, the immobiliser is no longer within the instrument panel, it's in three places. It's in this card reader, it's in the engine ECU under the hood, it's in the body control module, and it's within, under there, the power steering. Right. So I then started to, I wanted to go to the power and steering and check my powers and my grounds. So, let's see, I'm getting mind here. You've got, let's see it. You've got your red and your black, so that's constant power, constant ground. That's off an 80 amp fuse. And then you've got 5 wires with can high, low, and a 5 amp power supply and something else. I think it's a ground. So, wait now, I'll just set this up and show you what I was facing here. So, when I came to the thing, when I came to it, it was exactly like that. There was I seen that little connector there, and I thought, is that just a blank space for a diagnostic connector? Because I could see in at the back there, see these black wires, I thought maybe it's wired for the background and this is just for, I don't know, I didn't know what it was for. So I said to the guy who put it together, I says, is there anything goes in the middle there? And he had a thought about it, he went, oh, says there's a blanking plug up the back here. He says, I just thought it went in there. Well, it never. So he managed to grab it down. There we go. And the wiring's a bit tight, I would say. So it goes underneath like so. And it goes in like, so it goes in like that. And once I'd done that, lo and behold, I could talk to the power steering, and that gave the authentication code to start the thing. So, what have we learned today? We've learned today that you don't need the dashboard in order to start this thing. You just need ECU, body control module, card reader, and power steering, and it then releases the E-Pass code. I'll let you hear it start. There you go, and then it says on the scan tool, the engine immobiliser off. But as you can see from the dashboard panel, this camera's gone mad today, it still ain't working. So, right, our initial call was right, this ain't working, but I'll remember that for future. Anyway, cheers.